Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. Friends, today in this video I again came with a product review. Let me unbox this first. Product is from Modesk Universal Mobile Holder. And here is my package. And here the MRP is like 699 rupees. But I got this for 150 rupees on Amazon, and a small disclaimer, the price might be varying. The product is well packed. Let me remove this box. Friends, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, you'll get notified first. And the product weighing about 122 gram, and it comes with 6 months warranty. If I want to say about dimension, it is of 8.3 cross 9 cross 10.7 centimeter. If I want to say about the feature, it has 180-degree view, metal body, anti-skid design, and it has smooth edges, wide compactability, and even it has lightweight. Let me show the demo now. Friends, you can keep your mobile phones landscape or portrait also. Since it has rubber pads, it prevents from anti-skid. If I want to say about the quality of the product is made up of good stainless steel material. Perfect for watching videos, viewing photos or calling, reading, etc. Since it has hole, you can easily insert a charger wire to your mobile phone as such, so there will be no problem while charging also. I literally love this product because it is only 150 rupees and I think it is made up of best quality material. If you guys wish to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once. And thank you so much, friends.